welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you this Rotibox EDC Fidget Cube Dice Hand Spinner toy made from durable metal. It's something very different from your average spinner, so let's have a look. Okay, so it comes in this little box, nothing else in there. Put that away. Okay, so it comes in wrapped in this bag. So it's got some weight to it. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. Straight out of the box. These turn independently. Oh, they actually come out. So that's really smart. So let's get this one out. So it's comprised of 3 components. These are obviously magnetically connected. Then you've got the main part with a bearing in the middle. So these go either side. Assume it doesn't matter which way around they go. That's cool. You can actually spin that little part there as well. So this, even this little part here can spin. See that? That's really cool. Just about hear it. This is definitely better than the standard fidget spinner. I should really do a timer on this because I think this is going to spin for a long time. Let me stop it. Let's double check. Okay. I'll give it a couple of start that. I could have probably got it going a little bit faster, but it feels like it's going to spin for a long time. You can hear the noise it's making. Oh, just touch my finger with it then. I think because of the magnets, I think that helps it as well, because obviously it gets a better connection, less resistance, less friction. Seems to be spinning for a very long time. When you look at it, you don't expect it to spin like this. I'll measure it after just as well, so you can see the dimensions of it. Bearing in mind this is my first sort of spin of it, I think I could probably have hit it a little bit better. Still going though. Obviously moving it about reduces the time. Just want to get you to see all the different angles of it. It's really weird. Still going. So I reckon that you could probably get a 3.5–4 minute spin out of this if you hit it really well. It's 2 minutes. I'm going to stop it at 2 minutes. There you go. Just to give you an idea. So it's definitely one of these ones, and there's no, when you spin it, it's really nice, a nice feeling when you spin it as well. And I like the fact that you can also spin this part here. That's cool. That middle part spinning. So before, you can actually take these middle parts out, just like so. Bearings in there, it's connected via the magnets. There you go, you can feel it click into place. And that lines up perfectly with that one. And it's basically a square. Let's measure it. So it's 2 centimeters cubed. It's got some nice weight to it. It's got some nice weight to it. Feels nice and warm as well. This is definitely my favourite fidget toy spinner so far. I just like its simplicity, and yet it works really well. And it feels like, obviously, it's not going to fall apart because it's made out of a big massive chunk of metal. So yeah, hopefully this video has been of some help to you.